Hi guys, I'm Bona. My science experiment is called Move Pepper with Soap. First I asked, can I move pepper with soap? I was watching science experiment idea video in this class. And I saw this experiment, so I decided to do this experiment. So here is what I did. First, put water on the plate. Second, put lots of pepper on it. Ugh. Third, squeeze soap on your finger and put the finger into the plate. It spread. As you can see, it worked. It happened because the soap can break surface tension, so it spread out of it. So the soap has surfactant. It makes something clear, and surface tension is something that's held together like drop of water. When you made a drop of water and you made another, it doesn't pop. It gathered and bigger. Thank you for listening to my presentation.